Alright, it's about 5:40 in the morning and we're getting ready for another fishing trip. We're heading out to Utah Lake today. 2 years ago, we caught a ton of white bass, and last year we barely could even get a bite. So we'll see what it's going to be like this year. According to the reports, it should be good. So let's see how it goes. On our way to Utah Lake, and we got some traffic. People are struggling, they're sliding all over the place. Got a cop up here. Slow down. Gotta go slow so you don't fly off the road.
That's okay.
Yep. We made it. A little snowy, but not bad. We got a nice general store there. I don't know if it's open today. Probably not. I think they closed down for the winter. Decent outhouse. Places for campers. Be cool to just come and camp out here. Dad's got one playing. Miss him? First fish. Yellow-perch. Derek's got one. Alright. Nice white bass. Nice. Got my second fish of the day. Nice little white bass. Just reeled in his second. Alright, the wind's cold enough, we decided to call it a day, but we ended up with quite a few white bass and a couple perch, I think, between the three of us. Thanks for coming along. See you in the next video.